Hi, my name is Mark. I'm the owner of Universal Home Improvement. Are you looking to waterproof your home? The reason I ask is because Universal Home Improvement specializes in waterproofing. It waterproofs stucco walls, foundations, basement walls, basement and garage floors, and even crawl spaces under home. Have you noticed water coming into your basement? Or worse, coming through or under your foundation? Do you see white foam growing out of your foundation, or are you seeing water dripping through your ceiling because the patio above is leaking? If so, we can help. I say worse because the cost of repairing your cracked foundation or basement walls is 10 times more than what it costs just to waterproof or install a French drain. Having your home waterproofed or having a French drain installed is just smarter. I don't mean to brag, but Universal Home Improvement is the most experienced, licensed, insured, and bonded waterproofing contractor and French drain company throughout San Francisco and San Mateo counties for the last 37 years, so we can help you. I personally come to your home to see where the water is coming from and put together a plan to stop it. Then, I prepare a complete bid and email it to you. Most projects are completed in as little as 2 weeks and all work is guaranteed. So call or click 650-641-9000. You can also fill out the form for a free estimate.